Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a magical garden full of talking vegetables. A little baby named Benny loved to visit this garden every day. Benny wasn't a big fan of eating vegetables, though. The vegetables knew this and decided to teach Benny a fun lesson. One sunny day, Benny met a friendly carrot named Caratina. "Hello, Benny. Have you ever wondered why I'm so bright and orange?" asked Caratina. Benny shook his head and giggled. "I'm full of magic that helps you see better in the dark," said Caratina proudly. Benny thought that was interesting and decided to taste a bit of Caratina. As soon as Benny took a bite, he felt his eyes sparkle with new power. Next, Benny met Brocco, the strong and sturdy broccoli. "Hello, Benny. Do you know why I'm so strong?" asked Brocco. Benny looked up at Brocco, amazed by his green muscles. "I'm packed with super strength that can help you grow tall and strong," said Brocco. Benny imagined himself growing as tall as a tree. So, Benny took a small bite of Brocco and felt a surge of strength in his little arms. Benny then saw Spinny, the spinning spinach leaf. "Hi, Benny. Want to know why I can spin so fast?" Spinny asked with a twirl. Benny laughed and clapped his hands. "I'm full of energy that can help you run and play all day long," said Spinny. Benny wanted to run as fast as the wind, so he nibbled on Spinny. Suddenly, Benny felt a burst of energy, and he started running around the garden. As Benny ran, he bumped into Peppa, the cheerful red bell pepper. "Hey, Benny, do you know why I'm so colorful?" asked Peppa. Benny loved Peppa's bright red color and wanted to know more. "I'm filled with happiness that can make you feel cheerful and bright," said Peppa. Benny wanted to feel as happy as Peppa, so he took a big bite. Instantly, Benny felt joy bubbling inside him, making him smile from ear to ear. Benny's next stop was with Tina, the tomato, who was sunbathing. "Hi, Benny. Ever wonder why I'm so juicy and round?" asked Tina. Benny was curious and waited for Tina's answer. "I'm packed with vitamins that keep you healthy and glowing," said Tina with a wink. Benny wanted to be healthy like Tina, so he took a bite. Benny felt his skin glow with happiness as he enjoyed the juicy tomato. Suddenly, Benny heard a soft voice calling him. It was Corny, the corn on the cob, swaying in the breeze. "Hello, Benny. Do you know why I'm so golden and sweet?" Corny asked. Benny's mouth watered just looking at Corny. "I'm full of sunshine that gives you warmth and keeps you cozy," said Corny. Benny loved the idea of feeling warm, so he munched on Corny. A warm feeling spread through Benny's body, making him feel cozy and safe. As Benny continued his adventure, he met Letty, the leafy lettuce. "Hi, Benny. Want to know why I'm so crisp and fresh?" Letty asked. Benny nodded eagerly, curious to learn more. "I'm filled with coolness that keeps you refreshed on hot days," said Letty. Benny wanted to feel cool, so he took a crunchy bite of Letty. Instantly, Benny felt a cool breeze wash over him, making him feel refreshed. Finally, Benny met Eggy, the eggplant, who was resting under a tree. "Hello, Benny. Do you know why I'm so purple and shiny?" Eggy asked. Benny had never seen such a shiny vegetable before. "I'm full of magic that helps you sleep peacefully at night," said Eggy. Benny loved sleeping peacefully, so he took a bite of Eggy. That night, Benny slept like a baby, dreaming of his magical garden friends. The next day, Benny returned to the garden, feeling stronger, faster, and happier than ever. "Benny, do you see how wonderful vegetables are?" asked Caratina with a smile. Benny nodded, realizing how much fun it was to eat vegetables. Suddenly, a rainbow appeared in the sky, leading to a beautiful land called Veggie World. "Come, Benny, let's visit Veggie World," said the vegetables in unison. Benny was excited to go on a new adventure with his veggie friends. As they walked along the rainbow, Benny saw amazing sights. There were broccoli mountains, carrot forests, and tomato rivers. Benny and the veggies reached the heart of Veggie World, a place full of colors and joy. There, they met the Veggie King, who was proud of Benny for loving vegetables. Benny, because you've learned the magic of vegetables, you are now the veggie hero, said the king. Benny's heart swelled with pride as he wore a crown made of lettuce and carrots. The Veggie King gave Benny a magical seed to plant in his garden at home. This seed will grow into your very own magic vegetable garden, said the king. Benny thanked the Veggie King and promised to eat vegetables every day. Benny and his veggie friends returned home, and Benny planted the magical seed. The next morning, Benny's garden was filled with talking vegetables, just like in Veggie World. Benny's parents were amazed at the magical garden and how much Benny loved his veggies now. Benny's mom made a delicious veggie soup with all the magical vegetables. Benny couldn't wait to eat the soup and feel all the magic inside him. As Benny ate the soup, he felt stronger, faster, and happier than ever before. Benny knew that from now on, vegetables would always be his favorite food. The vegetables cheered, happy that Benny had learned to love them. Benny became known as the healthiest, happiest baby in the village. Every day, Benny visited his magical garden, playing with his veggie friends. He even started sharing his vegetables with other kids in the village. The kids loved the vegetables too, and soon everyone was eating healthier. Benny became a little hero in his village, inspiring everyone to eat their veggies. Benny's garden grew bigger and more magical every day. The vegetables taught Benny many more secrets and magical powers. Benny and his veggie friends even went on more adventures to other magical lands. They traveled to places like Fruitopia, Nutty Kingdom, and Grain Valley. Everywhere they went, Benny learned new things about healthy eating. Benny's favorite place was always Veggie World, where he was the veggie hero. The villagers celebrated Benny's bravery and wisdom with a big feast. The feast was full of delicious vegetable dishes, and Benny was the guest of honor. Benny's parents were so proud of him for becoming so strong and healthy. Benny knew that vegetables weren't just food, they were magical friends. Benny promised to always take care of his magical garden and keep eating his veggies. Benny's story spread far and wide, inspiring kids everywhere to love their veggies. Soon, the whole world was filled with healthy, happy children, just like Benny. Benny's village became famous as the healthiest place on earth. The magical garden flourished and new vegetables joined every day. Benny continued to grow tall, strong, and full of energy, thanks to his veggie friends. Benny and his veggie friends lived happily ever after, sharing their magic with everyone. And so, Benny's magical garden became a legend, reminding everyone of the power of vegetables. The end, but Benny's adventures with his veggie friends continued forever, full of fun, laughter, and healthy eating. The moral of the story is, eating vegetables makes you strong, healthy, and happy, turning everyday life into a magical adventure.